Hi class, today we're going to review solving equations with CLT, combined like terms practice. Use the pictures in the first column to write the correct equations and solve in the second column and write out the steps in the third column. So if I look at number 1, I see 1x, negative 2x, and 3x. X minus 2x plus 3x. I also see minus 4 equals 8. So when I look at a problem like this, the first thing I want to do is to combine like terms. Because I see values that have x on the left side. I can combine x, negative 2x, and 3x. This is a 1x. So 1 minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 2. So I can combine 1x, negative 2x, and 3x to make 2x. So then I'm going to write 2x minus 4 equals 8. I see here x is multiplied by 2 and subtracted by 4. So next, I add 4 on both sides of the equation. I add 4 on the left side and I add 4 on the right side. Negative 4 and positive 4 turn into 0, and I have 2x equals 12. Third, I see that x is multiplied by 2. So third, I divide by 2 on both sides of the equation. I divide by 2 on the left and divide by 2 on the right. 2 over 2 goes away and turns into 1, and I have 1x is equal to 6. My solution is 6. Now that I have a solution, I need to check it. So I'm going to rewrite the equation that I have on the top, but instead of x, I'm going to write my solution. So instead of x, I'm going to write 6 minus 2 times 6 plus 3 times 6 minus 4 equals 8. And then I'm going to follow order of operations to simplify each side. On the left, I'm going to have 6 minus 12 plus 18 minus 4. 6 minus 12 plus 18 minus 4 is equal to 8, and then I also have 8 on this side. Because both sides are the same, this is true and my solution is correct. Next, let's look at number 2. For number 2, I have 3x plus 2x minus 1x minus 5 equals 23. So just like the last problem, I have multiple x's on one side. First, I combine like terms. The like terms I have here are 3x, 2x, and minus 1x. So I can combine 3x, 2x, and negative 1x to get 4x. So I have 4x minus 5 equals 23. I notice x is multiplied by 4 and then subtracted 5. So next I add 5 on both sides of the equation. I add 5 on the left side, and I add 5 on the right side. Negative 5 plus 5 equals 0, and I have 4x is equal to 28. Now I notice x is still multiplied by 4. So third, I divide both sides of the equation by 4. So I divide by 4 on the left and divide by 4 on the right side, and I end up with x equals 7. The solution is x equals 7. Now that I have my solution, I'm going to check it by using the equation I wrote above. But instead of x, I'm going to write my solution, 7. I'm going to write 3 times 7 plus 2 times 7 minus 7 minus 5 equals 23. Then I use order of operations to simplify the left and right side. On the left side, I'm going to have 21 plus 14 minus 7 minus 5 equals 23. 21 plus 14 minus 7 minus 5 is equal to 23. I have 23 is equal to 23. So this is true, which means my solution is correct.